Hey everyone, so once again, athletic clothing seems to be the only thing I buy these days, and I'm really into it. Except I'm not into the generic stuff you just walk to the store and buy that's local around the GTA from area that I live, so I thought looking around and I found a brand that I really like. I said, "Swallow, the design is nice, the color is nice," so I picked it for the store. Now, the order took about 2 weeks to get here, and because it's not always dubai, it's nice to not like get clothing that's not necessarily from America. It's nice to have stuff from around the world. Anyways, the stuff came, and we're gonna try and do what I got in hello. So the first thing I did was I needed another hoodie like this to work out. It's ugly, but sleeveless. I love the one at the size, just you really get the air in the summertime when it's right now. So other than this piece, I decided to get the 12 volts called honestly. Now it is a bit heavier, and bigger. It is really cool. You can see this. This one's size honestly is big and has really heavy. It's actually the next I wore to the gym today. Got the swallow flow right here. And this size is actually medium. And I'll show you guys how it fits on me. I'm around 6 foot, 160 pounds now, so look.
So you can see, even with this, it's meant for people with really broad shoulders, as I have a lot of space in the side. But luckily, there are zippers. So if I want to bring it up or bring it down for a tighter fit, I can do so. So it hugs the hips, or that I have it more free-flowing. Right. So I say really go down a size, or go to something that would fit you snug if you're going for a sleeveless when it comes to Squat Wolf. Let's check out some other things. So since fall's coming up, the next two items I needed to get, since most of my pants are actually in China, I needed to get some joggers, some nice pants for the weather to complete an outfit. So I got 2 pairs of joggers from Squat Wolf. The first one I got was the Statement Classic in black. And my waist size is a 32, normally medium, so I assumed let's go medium. And yes, I was right. So here's the medium. Really nice, very clean, Statement Classic black jogger. Zippers on the pocket, I love that. I always want zippers in the pocket, or else why have pockets? Things just fall out. If you're as active as I am, pocket in the back, tapered at the bottom, and the material is just very nice, very, it's hard to explain. It's smooth. It feels like a really nice, well-made tracksuit. Now, I'll show you it after I show you the next piece. So, I'll put them on in a second. The next one I got, because, you know what, I wanted some color in my life. Well, not color, a shade, but I got the Statement ribbed joggers in nude. Alright, so, here we go. Now, these are a bit heavier when it comes to the blend. It's got some white pull strings. Still haven't really put them on. Pockets again, with the rubber pull tag, hints of white. Back pocket again, but this one, as it said, Statement ribbed joggers, so it's got those ribbing just to add some texture to the side. And then once again cuffed at the bottom. Squat Wolf logo. So I'll shoot these on for you and let you guys see how they look while they're on. Once again, medium. Okay, you can see here is the medium fit. Just clean, basic, classic, simple. Flexibility test, they're great. You can definitely do squats or any exercise in this. Let's check out the other color. Alright, so here's the nude fit, medium once again. Ribbed sides. I definitely recommend these. They feel great as well. So that's Squat Wolf for you guys. The product is pretty good. The quality I enjoy. You know, maybe switch it up and try ordering some Squat Wolf instead of your local athletic gear. So, till next time, take it easy, guys.